Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. By default, Microsoft Edge opens PDF files directly into the browser using its built-in PDF viewer. But if you want PDF files to open automatically in Adobe Reader or any other PDF application instead, then this video is for you. In this video, I will show you how to disable the PDF viewer in Microsoft Edge on Windows 11 and Windows 10. So let's get started. First open Edge browser. After that click on this one triple dot menu, and in the drop down menu click on this one settings option. After that click privacy, search and services in the left sidebar. On the right click on site permissions. Now click all permissions. Now scroll down and you will find PDF documents. Click on this one. Here you will find an option, always download PDF files. Turn on this one toggle. That's all. From now onwards, whenever you will click on any PDF link, it will download using Edge browser and you can open it with any of your preferred PDF viewer application. Bye.